Hello friends, welcome to the CodeFactz YouTube channel. We are going to start a new complete tutorial series for C programming language. In this tutorial, we will teach you all about C programming language from the basics to everything. So if you are interested in learning C programming language, go like this video, subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed yet, and don't forget to share it to your friends. We are also uploading the same tutorials in Tamil. So if you want to learn in Tamil, go check the link in the description box. In this video, I will tell you what is C programming language and why should we learn C programming language in 2020. So without wasting any of our time, let's get into the topic. We all know C programming language was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell's Lab in 1972. It was developed to operate an OS called Unix. Before C was developed by Dennis Ritchie, they were using a language called B, which was developed by Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie in 1969. Since it was a typeless language, we couldn't declare any data types. Thus, this advantage of B language resulted in developing a new language called C programming language. C programming language gradually gained its popularity in the hearts of programmers in 1980s. Then officially in 1989, standardization was provided by American National Standard Institute and also by International Organization for Standardization. But in the modern era of 2020, you may think, why should we learn a language of this much old? C programming language, even after being a old language, is still very important to learn because it is one of the top programming languages in the world today. If we learn C language, we can easily learn other languages, mainly C++, Java and Python. Talking about the real world applications, C is used in various domains such as used to develop OS like Windows, Linux. It is also used in graphical user interface to develop softwares like Adobe Photoshop. C is also used as a platform to develop many other programming languages such as C++, Java, Python. It is also used in MySQL, which is a database management system. I guess now you have got an idea of what is C and why should we learn C in 2020. In the next video of this tutorial, we will discuss about the different compilers and runtime environment used for C programming language and which is best one to use. That's it for today guys. Subscribe our channel, also follow us on Instagram at CodeFactz. The link is given in the description box. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep coding. Bye bye.